For perfume? Ah, so it's not for
Yes.
Yes, that's the
I
one.
put it in your
Ayan,
bag.
ala. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Daddy. Campaign.
You want to sleep up there, Hala?
Okay.
Ito. Mm. So like, if you want to put perfect. Ah, thank you so much. I got this one. Here we are here, the expo of this campaign. Hi. So, for camping. Ah, this one for one night.
Where's Hala?
Is there?
You want to sleep up there, Hala?
Okay.
You're gonna pull down.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, there's guns. They have guns here.
Yeah.
Here, guns hala.
These are BB guns.
Huh? BB guns?
Fairground. Like the one other house.
Yeah, why? It is real.
I don't understand why people sell a real guns.
If you buy this one, you have to get permit. Yeah.
What?
Stuff here for camping, fishing.
Why do people sell murderer weapons?
Huh?
People keep selling murderer weapons.
Yeah.
That's for catching.
Alias International Group. Here fishing. For fishing.
Them.
Fishing. Ah, this is this one for boating. This one for just motorcycle. Oh, they have jacket. There's a health star. Yeah. This one here camping. This one for, you know, for winter jacket. So you will not feel very cold. Yeah.
This is
Maybe they put. They don't have price. Yeah, so no need to ask. They want you to ask, that's why just keep it like that. This one, chainsaw. Yeah, why they have bring this one? No trees here, no forest. Off-road needs this one for camping. Ice mix. Here, this one, baggy.
Yeah.
It's very big. Look at this, 3,500. 3,500. 600. Huh?
There is Japanese car, there is Chinese car, 3,000 kg.
Oh,
A real car.
real car. This one, it's 3,000. Almost same size. This one, 6,000.
Do they buy the rocks or do they carry it all the way here?
This one is like for delivery.
This for Hala, how much is this?
You can ask this one. Ah, Hala, you like that one?
See, it will fit.
Sit down, Hala, if you like it.
Is it your size? Sit there.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
No, it says
Under 10 what?
Under 10 years old?
No, that's the drive.
عليك كفالة سنة سيرفيس مجاني سنة.
Only to sit is okay, you're not driving.
Hold.
Hold the steering, hold the wheels.
Hold this one.
هذا كم هذا؟
هذا كان قيمته 1250 دينار الحين 800 دينار.
800.
How much?
800. You can find cheaper outside.
Yeah.
These are all electric.
Uh-huh.
electric.
It's 1,450. I think it's not strong electric. Better gas, right?
Yeah, okay.
आएगा नहीं आएगा उधर फिर मिलेगा
كم هذا؟
There's no way people actually buy guns. There's no way people actually buy guns.
Ah, this one you need, right?
Yeah, look. This is the one I want to buggy.
Huh? Nobody want the baggy? Oh, look, 1,690.
Allah.
This one, 1,600.
Yeah, this one is okay. But
How
now
much?
Adam, he wants Yamaha. Yamaha is...
Ay, look, this is more,
Hala, be
ano,
careful. Can I fall down?
100 kg, dry weight, 110.
This one is electric, not electric. Gasoline. Gasoline. This is gasoline, not electric.
Ah, okay. But gasoline or electric, you have to make a register?
No need for
Make
register.
permit.
Anything.
Wala. You see 225. Only very small. It's like 4 by 4. 3 by 3. Ah.